Rise and shine. Damn, this is early for me. Oh, smells like straight elote. Oh. First cold start. And started right up. She's ready to go. The gauges look so sick right there. It's funny how they blink on camera. But really, they're not blinking. I still need to mount that. Doing a vid so fast. Just gotta 3M tape it, and then it just sticks right there. Don't mind my steering wheel. My alignment's off right now. I still have a lot to do. Take my car to get detailed real quick. We'll see the difference. It should look like new when it's done. I had to take all this off because my sub isn't working right now. I don't know why. Well, the speakers weren't working at first, like I couldn't hear my music. I fixed that and now it's my sub. It's always something. But I mounted my my gauge right here. Looks sick. I love this car 1,000 times more now. Damn. What's up, dude? It's crazy. It looks so shiny.
It's not even done yet.
No way.
Like, this side's not even coated, bro.
Which side?
That side?
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's just...
Oh, shit, I'm looking at the wrong side.
I'm not, like... Okay, so, like, this is basically coated right here. I was just wiping it all off, and then this is the sealant I was telling you I was putting in.
And then you put the coating over the sealant?
No, I put the coating, let it cure, remove it, then I apply the sealant.
Oh, okay.
I got maybe another, I don't know, 20, 30 minutes.
Damn, dude, it looks so good though.
I know.
Shit. Looking wet. Damn. He killed it. You can see the flakes so much now. It's hard to see right here, but in the sun, look at that. So crazy. Looks so good now. Damn. Oh man, I have a mess in here. Still installing the gauges, so I'm gonna put them in a little bit better and then clean my interior because we didn't have time to do that. But here's the Recaro too. Looks so good inside the 350s. It looks stock. Super comfortable, feels stiffer. You can feel the road a lot better. Oh, I love it. We couldn't put the passenger side Recaro on. I just bought the base, not the rails, because the passenger side usually sits higher than the driver's side. So I was like, all right, I'm not gonna buy the rail, we'll just put on the base. But the way the Recaro seat lines up, it didn't line up to the planted bracket, so I have to get the rails now. So we weren't able to put the passenger side in, so I'm gonna have to order that, and then we'll put the passenger seat in. But yeah, my car looks a mess right now. We're gonna go buy some stuff to clean the interior and finish my gauges. Then let's get that cold start though. It really just died? That was pretty funny though. I was like, let's get this cold start. Boom, that shit died. So I was like, nah, ain't no cold start today. Every time I get in my car, I reach over to grab my seatbelt, like if I even have a seatbelt buckle. See, this is what I'm talking about. I don't know if you can see. Here, let me shine my iPhone light. So you see the little bracket there? It's like way down there. Well, it's so close to the plastic piece right here on the side. So there's no way to mount the buckle. So I gotta get the roll cage I want. It's like $2 grand. And then harnesses, so I really gotta save up to get that ASAP. So that'll just push me a little bit harder to get that cage sooner, and then a bumper, because those are the two things mandatory right now. And then the tune's got to be last. So for now, I went to Walmart. I got duct tape and some 30-pound 3M. I'm gonna try to use that to stick my gauges inside my gauge pod. It's gonna be a little ghetto, but this is just for now until I do some more research on how to mount them right. I know you can glue them, but I gotta figure out what glue, and I don't want to make a big mess yet. So I'd rather just do this for now so I can put this dash on, because I'm tired of looking at it. And there's a mess in here and I want to clean up, so I'm gonna use that. I mean, it's gonna work. They're gonna be solid, but it's just gonna be ghetto from the back, but no one's ever gonna see it. So we'll see how it turns out for now. So I'm pretty much just gonna lay it like that. People are gonna be like, damn, you're so ghetto, but whatever, it is what it is. Sometimes you gotta do little ghetto things no one's ever gonna see, because these are gonna be inside. This is the best mod you can ever do to your Z, I swear. This thing is, man, it's magic. All right, I just finished my masterpiece. Yes, I know it looks ghetto. There's 3M up top, and then I duct taped it from the bottom, so when you click the buttons at the bottom, it doesn't just push through. I might just end up leaving it like that, to be honest. There's no point of gluing it. I'm just gonna end up gluing it, and if I ever want to take them off or something, I'm screwed. Boom, all done. What happened?
It's shiny in here.
I know, I just cleaned it. It's finally.
That's a GoPro?
Yeah. You ready? Got some rollers? Alright.
I want to do this too.
No, we're not going fast. We're just getting pictures.
I want to go fast.
You want to go fast? Not right now.
Disgusting.
What happened?
It smells
That's that E85. You don't like it?
Smells like pear.
Huh?
You can't drive, you're still a kid.
Why?
Because you're 24 is still a kid.
I'm not a kid.
Yes, you are.
No, like 17 and under is a kid.
No, 24 is a kid.
Nah.
Not 17.
I'm a grown man.
My dad is 4.
Jesus,
What?
he's old.
No. My mom is 5.
Woo! Yeah, she's like my grandma's age now.
You can't go fast?
Huh?
You can't go fast?
Yeah, I can go fast.
No, super fast. You can't?
Oh, not right now. Wait, what are we doing? What are we doing? This guy. Where are we going?
I'll drop down a second real quick.
Huh?
I'll drop down a second.
It's fast.
What's up, buddy?
Stop.
You ready?
You want to put your windows up?
Yeah.
Or do you care about that or no?
No, yeah, I'll put it up. Cause then you can see my big old head. Can you see through the screen?
I can see your big old head.
Tanner! Yeah.
Damn, you want to race, boy?
Oh.
Race, boy.
Oh.
Him.
The STI? You're holding the camera all sideways. No, man. Sit down. Oh my gosh.
What?
I just scraped the fuck out of my car.
Want to check it?
Huh?
Want to check it?
I'm gonna have to. It's not like I hit my turbo. It sits on that side.
I was scared right there. I thought you were going to go to 80 mph.
Nah.
I was scared right there.
Nah, I'm chilling.
After you go 60 mph, it moves.
How fast?
After you go 60 mph, it moves. Like
Yeah.
that.
It's hard to hold it.
Yeah. I like the noises.
Yeah? Me too.
It's awesome.
My favorite part. Oh, jeez.
What thing you like? Bumper or anything? Anything what you like on your car?
Everything. Huh? Good? Did I scrape so hard? Alright, off we go back home to Laguna. Let's see how my car does on this 2-hour drive on the way back. It was fun being back in the desert for 4 days, but I'm ready to take this thing back home where it belongs.